As you can see, this section of 12th Street is now back open to traffic, and there's very little indication of a huge accident that took place here. Very little trace except for, some broken glass you can see on the road, and then this crane here, which was used to lift up the falling crane before they stood it up and got it out of town from here. But we spoke with witnesses who described for us the moment that this crane came crashing down.
Like metal scraping against each other, and then I just saw it tip over.
A restaurant worker was preparing for the lunch crowd when he heard the crash.
And then I saw it, and at first I thought it was cool, but then I realized that it was kind of scary.
Jorge Castruan watched the Bragg crane service truck come down with a thud. Hours later, police and construction workers blocked the sidewalks as onlookers gather in the streets. 2 more Bragg cranes in position to stand it back up.
Well, it's a mess to clean up, that's for sure.
Derek Berg works alongside Bragg Crane Service on construction jobs as a millwright. He stopped here to get a look.
I see inside the cab that they had the deployment bags blow, so
That's like
inside the pink bags inside the cab.
just like a airbag.
Yeah.
And from above, another vantage point from the parking garage.
Somebody's not doing the job right, that's what I can see.
Gus Carrillo would know. He's a crane operator with 35 years of experience.
If the trailer wasn't there, yeah, for sure it would have gone poof, all the way over.
As the cranes pull it up, we get a clearer view of the operator's cabin.
He could have got killed. If you look at the way the cab's at, he could have got killed.
Fortunately, right now we can share with you that there have been no reported injuries. We've reached out to Bragg Crane Service. We're told that we won't get a response from them until Monday.